Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the glyph bar in your Nothing Phone 4a. The first thing you need to do is to open these links. Now, as you can see, glyph interface is here. Just tap it. Make sure the switch is toggled on. Now, as you can see, you can select if you want to have it all. If you want to have only one sphere turned on, the second or the third. Apart from that, here if you scroll down, we can see all the features about our glyph. Ringtones, for example, from classic to, to generative. And now, default is like this. Sound only, glyph lights will be disabled, or here we have chemical. Apart from that, here if you go back, we can see classic, and here we have And now if you go back, we can see that we can add our own sounds. Apart from that, here we have notifications. Here the same, classic or generative. Here default sound engine, diode, or this chemical. Same classic is here too. And nothing signals default are like this. Oh, let me show you just this way. This is the visualization of what's going on the glyph interface. Apart from that, if we go back, we have a few more essential notifications. Here we have missed calls or alert, and we can create rules here. If we tap create new rule, we can see rule name. Any of the following, one of the applications are received from any of the following apps, and we can here add applications. Any of the following people as optional thing, and containing any of these following keywords. Apart from that, here we have Flip-to-Glyph, sounds on demand. We can enable that, or volume indicator, or as you can see, glyph timer as a visual countdown, or glyph progress bar. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.